present our speaker today, research manager for the Alternative Energy Project for the Agricultural Engineering Society of America, the research manager, Mr. Chris Starr. Chris?
Thank you, Dr. Forrest. Good morning, everybody. I'm here today to discuss alternative energy, which is one of the most researched and debated topics in science today. Plenty of good ideas have been discovered, but many flaws have been discovered as well, whether they be slow progressing, costly induced in terms of technology, or require resources that are not available in every area in the country. Especially with our economy down and in debt today, it's really hard to put these alternative energies into use where they can really affect our country. The goal is to eliminate the use and need for fossil fuels that are ripping holes in our ozone, polluting our air, and harming species everywhere. These fossil fuels include oil, natural gas, and coal. Some present and futuristic ideas floating around and being tested today include wind power, solar power, hydroelectric energy, tidal energy, nuclear energy, biomass, geothermal energy, and biofuels. In terms of biofuels, ethanol is a developing energy form that is produced from crops with high sugar content, including sugar beets, sugar cane, corn, wheat, and barley. Typical gasoline to ethanol ratio in regular gas today at stations is about 90% gasoline and 10% ethanol. E85 is a new ethanol-based car fuel, which is 85% ethanol and about 15% gasoline. These stations are growing, and there's estimated to be about 75 in California over the next 2 years. The change is estimated to displace 39 million gallons of petroleum and 187,500 tons of carbon dioxide output, according to Propel. Cost per gallon is over 50 cents cheaper than gasoline-based fuels, but can sometimes fluctuate and be more expensive than gasoline. It also contains less energy than gasoline, and its availability is restricted to the Midwestern states as of now. One day, alternative forms of energy won't just be an opinion or a futuristic idea. They will be a necessity, as fossil fuels don't just destroy our environment, but they start to vanish off our Earth as well.
Thank you. Questions for Chris? Ben?
Because of the high-quality starch content in corn, corn is often used in the production of ethanol. My question for you is, if more of this corn was directed into energy production, what would happen to the food industry as far as this corn not being available?
I think we should just be having more reserves where we should be growing corn, and the more we can do that, we can have dedication towards corn that's going towards food, and corn that's just being processed for ethanol.
Thank you. Any other question? Yes, Michael.
If they start taking more corn from, you said, food sources and growing more for fuel, won't that deprive the soil of the nutrients needed to grow healthier corn for us to consume?
Well, like I said, if they're in different areas, then we'll have dedication to corn for the fuel industry and corn for the food industry, which are totally different things. The soils would be totally disconnected from each other.
Show our appreciation for Chris. Thank you.